In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Royal Mail Click and Drop with Shopify. By the end, you'll have the Royal Mail shipping extension installed in your Shopify store so you can streamline shipping directly from your admin. First, sign into your Shopify admin using a supported browser and an account with permission to install apps. Starting from the Shopify home dashboard keeps things simple, so if you're elsewhere in the admin, head back to home to begin from a familiar place. Next, look to the left-hand menu and open the Apps section. This is where you manage existing apps and discover new ones from the Shopify App Store. In the Apps view, use the search bar to find the Royal Mail shipping extension. Typing Royal Mail will usually surface it right away. You're looking for the official Royal Mail shipping extension that connects Shopify with Royal Mail's Click and Drop. When you see the app in the results, open its listing. This takes you to the app's information page with a description, screenshots, pricing, and permissions. Take a moment to scan the details so you know what access it requires and how it integrates with orders and fulfillment. When you're ready, click the button to add the app. Shopify will open an installation screen in your store's admin to confirm permissions. On the installation screen, click Install. Shopify may guide you through a few confirmation prompts. Continue by selecting Install wherever prompted and keep an eye on the list of permissions so you understand what the app can access. This is normal for shipping integrations that need to read orders and create fulfillments. If the app uses a paid plan or a trial that rolls into a subscription, Shopify will display a confirmation page outlining any recurring charges. Review the pricing, billing cycle, and trial period if one is offered. When everything looks right, approve the charge to continue. Approving here enables the app so it can work with your orders. Once the installation completes, you'll be returned to your Shopify admin with the Royal Mail shipping extension visible under Apps. Opening the app from here will walk you through any remaining in-app setup and permissions specific to your shipping workflow. If you see on-screen prompts from Royal Mail's side, just follow them in order. They're designed to finalize the connection and get your labels and services ready. That's it. You've navigated to Apps, found the Royal Mail shipping extension, added it to your store, confirmed permissions, and approved any required charges. From here, you can continue inside the app to tailor settings to your business and start using Royal Mail services from